Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be creating this news app, or rather in this section we're going to be working on this news app. And this news app basically fetches news directly from newsapi.org, and it basically lists it out in this card format that we can see all the details, and we can actually pull to refresh and fetch new news. And basically we can also click on certain news article and basically read about it. So for example, if I click on this one, it'll actually open up a web view that we will create, and this web view will basically fetch the entire news article, and then you can read about it, or user can read about it. Okay, so this is going to be the topic for this section, so let's go ahead and get started.